boys and girls, this week our theme at school is food. And today we are going to use food to create art. Here I have a spaghetti paintbrush. All I did was get some spaghetti, uncooked, rubber band together, and I dipped it in a pot of boiling water. And now we'll have a spaghetti paintbrush where Ethan's going to dip it into his paint and use it to create a beautiful picture. Here we have some cooked spaghetti. And what Kirsten's going to do is she's going to dip it in her paint and she's going to use it to make a picture.
Wow, so cool.
So, let's get started. I hope you had fun creating works of art using spaghetti today. I look forward to seeing all of your spaghetti art. Don't forget to send them to me. Have fun, guys. Be creative.
Bye.